Hello and welcome to another demo of the Paragraphs Bundles module. My name is Ala Haddad and I'm the developer of the Paragraphs Bundles module today, and we are talking about a big bundle, the Accordion bundle. And Accordion bundle, and I'm sure we're all familiar with the Accordion display. So let's start. To start, quick recap. This is the upgraded version for the W3 CSS paragraph. You will need paragraphs module plus field group module installed on your local or on your demo side. I have a demo site and installed everything on it, and I have a content type has a paragraph field inside it. So let's go enable the module, and it will ask you to enable the parent if you haven't enabled the parent, which is the paragraphs bundles. After enable that, let's go to structure, paragraph types, and I want to see what it is exactly. Here I can see accordion and accordion section, and that's it. So this one goes inside this one. This is the parent, this is the child. Let's go start, content, add content, basic page, and this is the field I'm just adding. And this is quick, and I showed that in other videos, but I'm gonna do it again. I don't like to see accordion section here because it's not really, it should be only inside this bundle CN. So I don't want to see it here. Quick fix, structure, content type, basic page, manage field. This is the paragraph, this is the field I want, and I'm just going to say exclude. I don't want to see this one, and click save. I'm going back again, content add, and here it is. I'm adding add accordion, and also same thing before. Blue is the parent, green is the child, and this is the title, and this is the accordion title required. That's the one you click on it to expand whatever text or image you have inside it. So this is first tab, and when you click here, this is a paragraph field. So also in this one you will need to have simple. So I'm just gonna add, because that's what it is. This is a paragraph field. You can customize this one also to big whatever you want, but let's go here first. I'm just adding a simple. That's all. So you have the parent, child, and the grandchild. This is the colors. This is how you know, so you didn't get lost exactly, because sometimes I get lost between all these, and especially if you have one more inside. So let's click save and then see what's happening really inside just by adding one to see. So this is what it is. So this is the first tab, open and close, and I want to show you what's happening. Watch out what's what in the screen here. So this one, this is a group global button. This is if you have 5 tabs or 6 tabs, you click on them to expand all or open all. This is the tab. This one for a specific one, for this one. So that's what it is. So let's go and add more tabs to see. As I said before, my recommendation, the child, I don't add really that much color to the child, except if I need. All the colors I can apply with the parents. Here, if I want to add any colors or something like that, I usually add something here. And what I did actually before, so let's add just a color here, add some we will still play. These are the options we were playing with. So if you don't want to show or hide all these things, and just click save. This is the first one. I'm gonna go back and add more. I'm just gonna duplicate whatever I have. So here it is. That's why I like. So I'm just gonna say duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. So these are the guys. So this is what, number 4, and this one 3, and second, and click and save. And this is, here is, so these are the tabs. If I click, it will expand all. If I click, it will close all. All this side is clickable to expand and close. If you want to close all, you can close all. So this is just out of the box with minimum of colors or anything. Let's play with the colors a little bit to show you, because I have some on the demo side. So yeah, something like that. You see? So I added a border at the bottom. That's what it is. And this is a background for the whole thing. So let's go here, and if you click here, edit, a display, you could say border color. I'm just gonna choose this one. You don't want to add border here if you want to have the bottom border. So what you do exactly, so this is, here it is. That's all. Because the borders already, it's at the end of each one. So that's one thing. And one thing more I want to mention here, because when you have nested paragraphs, you have so much I guess features. So my recommendation always, just make sure the children are plain, because it's easy to apply colors to the parent and see exactly. If you cannot give the parent so the color you want, go to the child and do it. These are the same thing, the animation for the, I'm just gonna change it to the left. And what is that? Let's add this one. So a different color here, just show you. And if I take these off, and here is, that's by default without anything. This is the active tab. So if you want the active tab to be different color than the other one, you could apply this kind of color. If you'd like to activate any of these buttons, you just go there and just click on the button, activate them. These tabs can be created out of the fly, really. This is how much. It doesn't need any dependency of any other customization or anything. You just have some time and some brain to figure out the colors and all these things, and just play with it until you get really that style or the look you want it to do, really. So if you want to collapse the first one or expand the first or show indicator, all these are easy, and that's what you get here, really. This is the Accordion bundle. I hope you like the demo. See you in the next one.